Hey guys, I don't know what we're doing today. Kieran,
Yeah?
what are you doing?
Bird watching.
Apparently we are doing that today. Okay.
Come on.
Kieran's gonna take it really quick with one hand. That's terrifying right now, but okay. You guys, for you guys, I'm sorry because
Move over.
it might be a little bright for you. I hope your view is doing well. Yeah. I hope you guys have been having a great day so far. And
Let's see if you guys can go bird watching.
yeah.
Them apart.
You see it right there?
Okay. Can they?
Nope.
Wait, let me try again.
Let's see if we can go bird watching. Ooh.
Whoa.
Okay, that's a difficult.
All right, do it.
Oh, it's close. It's close.
Okay, let me see this again. Okay, we're gonna try this again, guys.
Sorry if okay. We're trying our best. Okay.
You can't move the camera.
Let's just like zoom in a bit. Please work. It worked for us a little bit before. It's not working at all now.
Okay.
Sorry guys.
Don't move the camera. Don't move the camera. Okay, that was our best, guys.
Sorry. Yeah.
Can you zoom in on it?
Comment down below if you find the bird. Okay.
Or if you see a plane. Because I haven't seen any birds today. And I've been out here for literally an hour.
It's true.
Or if you see a car.
Hey, look at that. It's hard to see. Okay, never mind. Sorry you had to see my ugly feet. Okay, yeah, sure. These guys will like some lightsabers. I've seen.
Here's a broken one.
Take it. No, there.
Look at my animal. They're having fun.
Yeah.
Give me it. I'm going to try to show you guys my beautiful family. See my beautiful family? Are you kidding me? You're sitting in my spot.
Oopsie daisies. Wait, guys, I need to show you something.
What are you doing?
Hold it, please. I need to show you guys something. Karen's gonna stay up here and bird watch.
What?
You're gonna stay up here and bird watch, okay?
Okay.
Say hi to the camera.
What you doing?
Nothing, just watching this with you. Good. Kieran! Where'd you go? Oh, come on. Well, they can't see you. So you're going to have to come out.
Jessie Lulu.
Oh, that's creepy. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're coming back up.
We are thirsty today, aren't we? Come on, go! You can't do that, little boy!
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys.
We're going to end this. Have a peaceful time. Get it?
Guys, please.
Peaceful.
Guys. I hope you had a great... Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to smash that like button or click that bell. So don't forget to subscribe.
Goodbye.
See ya. That was like the worst ending. But hallelujah, it's horses. Yay. Bye.